everybody, it's me, little baker farmer, and today is hot and very hot, so that's why we need things to help us cool down. And my mom is so happy because some tomatoes are ready. So we're gonna see if some tomatoes taste good, but don't get the green ones. See, people? Green ones. The green ones aren't ready, people. So, as you can see, I picked the ones that are ready. I'm looking for some, and I found one or a lot out. Something hurt my foot. People. But how am I gonna get these tomatoes? People, I can't get the tomatoes. See those tomatoes?
Mm-hmm.
So, easy way to get the tomatoes right there is to go on the other side. This whoop, go around this, and go here. Then you finally see them. All the mosquitoes. A bug is on it. So, we got one, but there's a bug on one, people. See? The bug. So, the easy way to get the bug off is just touch it and fling it. Just like that. Until it gets off, do that. Now, the first tomato, and we put it in the bag. So, we can So, people, that's ready. Whoops. So, this is ready, people. We put it there. This. And there's so many. I think you're gonna love eating this because they're very healthy for you. People, these are very healthy for you. So you should grow them in your garden. Make sure you find a lot because they're so delicious. And I'm harvesting them from my mom. My mom's right there. Say hi, Mom.
Hey.
And I love picking tomatoes and eating them because they're so healthy for you. And we're gonna try to get up like 1,000 tomatoes if we can find 1,000 tomatoes. And we're not done yet. We just have find the ones that are ready. On it. Now, put it in the bag again. We're gonna try to get up. So, what is it?
Right here.
Oh, and I missed some people. There's a lot. I'm gonna give it to my mom in a second. So, I have to try to find what? What is it? Those?
Mm-mm.
Those?
Mm-mm.
Those?
I mean, yeah, you could get those.
Are you pointing? Uh-oh.
Underneath?
The bee.
And to be. Okay, it's gone away. Underneath there. You see them down there.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Another tomato. It looks straight. Okay, everybody, so I'm done. And look how many tomatoes we got. They're right in here. Let's see if I can count them. So people, we're gonna dump them out to see if I can count them. Let's see if I can count them. But this is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Start over.
Why?
Because I think you counted them twice. Start over. Go for it.
There's an ant on me.
Bless your heart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, people, these are
Keep going.
11, 12. 12